Rodrigue, the hospital here. Long time here. You know 1 year to live. So in one night in Cyclone Harold, everything was destroyed, and everything you can see is all the debris remaining of what Ranawat, what used to be called Ranawat Film Memorial Hospital. The all medicine law, all pinya, all pin law stigma sick man. Yes, all these things are damaged. Damaged. It's got pin. So in pinya, pin the floor. No, yes, now. Yes, now. Yes, yes. All damaged. Morning. So you last have yeah? Damage. So long health facilities, big fella job. But meeting a priority, must stop long all health facilities. From must building back help people to all medicine, all health facilities from body life to the work garden, all the life to the building back house. Mostly if you focus on long house from by only sick, but building back house. So you must say you must put them back on health centers. All Sambala all staff house only destroyed. Sambala all like Ranawat Melsisi and completely gone. Yes. Females ward and males ward here. So there was a good, well set up this place. Have if men came who were very sick, then she could admit them staying for 1 or 2 nights here. What I wanted to tell you is that the people here are very worried because they can go to Pangi or Melsisi, but consider the fact that the cover is the main cash crop, also damaged. So to pay the cost of going to Pangi and Melsisi is going to be a big worry for the people here. So the nurse here with the doctor yesterday, they already discussed a short-term plan to quickly repair one of the buildings that is down below for quick medical response or help. But in the long term, to put the full facility up again.